After search engine traffic, the next big thing right now giving a lot of people much traffic better than search engine right now is social media traffic. In my last video, I reviewed one of my top 2 that I use to generate a lot of traffic to my blog website, to my application, my digital product. So I decided to show you more of the platform that I use. And all of this platform gets millions of visitors every single day. You can actually tap at least 10k or 20k or more if you actually focus on this particular setup, which I'm going to be showing you right here in this very video. This particular tool right here is called Buffer, and Buffer is a social media management platform. So it's going to simply help you with your monetized blog website. Okay, so if you have a blog website that is monetized with either Adstera, with Monetized, with Hilltopads, and a lot more, you can actually use it to run your business. Whether you have laptop or not, you can use your mobile phone to run this. Okay, and the best part is that this particular tool right now has a mobile application that you can actually use to set things up for yourself and it will continue to run at the back end while you focus on other things. All right, in this video we're going to be doing only 6 simple steps. The first step, I'm going to be showing you how Buffer works, how to set it up for yourself. Second step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually automate Buffer with your website blog. Any type of website that you've already built or my team built and delivered to you, you can actually use this particular method right now to automate things for yourself with Buffer. All right, the third step, I'm going to be showing you the Evergreen traffic loop that you're going to simply be using right now. And the fourth step, I'm going to be showing you various topic discovery sources that will help Buffer get you traffic. All right, the fifth step, I'm going to be showing you high traffic content type that you have to start publishing right now to actually gain more audience to your website. All right, sixth step, which is the final step, I'm going to be showing you the monetization flow, how you can actually monetize this particular website. So without further ado, let's get into it right now. Okay, you need to simply click on this get started button right here. Then this is going to simply prompt you to signing up your account. Okay, you're going to simply go ahead and add your email address right here, add your password right here, and also click on the sign up button. And with that, they're going to simply send you a notification on your email that you have to simply verify your account. Okay, then you can actually log into your main account, okay, which is your main Buffer account. When you come to the create button, you can actually go ahead and add and connect your account. Okay, as you can see right here, I've already connected my X, I've connected this Pinterest account, I've connected this LinkedIn account. Okay, so you can connect more if you want to connect. So I'm going to simply remove this disconnect channel. Okay, so I'm going to simply type disconnect right here and connect it again. So this is basically how you can disconnect any channel you've already added, and you can add it back again. So I've added that, then click on this disconnect button here. You can show right here the account has been disconnected. All right, so I'm going to simply disconnect this one as well. Okay, then add the same disconnect right there, then disconnect. Okay, so we now have 2 stuff right there. Okay, so remember, this is how you can actually disconnect. So I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your new account. Okay, so for you to connect your new account, you need to simply click on this connect button here. Okay, then you have to simply select the account you want to connect for yourself. All right, based on what you want. Like I showed you in my previous video, if you want traffic with this stuff, right, don't bother yourself going to Instagram or TikTok. Okay, because these platforms will not give you link click opportunity. Okay, which means if you post something like a normal post and you add link, it is not going to be clickable. You can connect with YouTube, like using the YouTube community section. You can actually connect with Monster.com, Pinterest, Google My Business, Twitter, and Start Page. Okay, Google My Business is going to simply start giving you a lot of traffic, like a lot of traffic from search engine. Okay, for instance, if you go to browser right here, you're going to see my Google My Business page. On this right section, you're going to see we have the Google My Business profile here. Okay, so you can see right here, Padded Vibes Media. You're going to see their social profile right here. Okay, these are updates we've been sharing on this very section. From this section, people can actually decide to visit our website. All right, so all you need to do is simply connect this for yourself. You can see the profile right here. Okay, so if you don't know how to set up Google My Business and you want me to show you how to set it up right now, the current way to do that, just let me know in the comment section. So if you scroll down right, you're going to see Twitter. This is X. Okay, so let's click on X. Right, and it's going to simply take me to X. Okay, so before connecting any account you want to connect to your Buffer, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you log into that particular account on that same browser. So for instance, I've already logged into this particular X account and I'm going to simply integrate it to my Buffer. Right, so you have to simply click on this authorized app. All right, once that is connected, you can actually go ahead and connect other social media platforms of your choice. Okay, once you connect all your social media pages, that's going to simply help you reach multiple audience on multiple platforms. All right, and it's going to simply help you automate daily posting across all of these platforms you've already connected your Buffer account. Okay, and with this right now, we're going to simply start building a 24-hour traffic system for your website. So having done this, the next thing right now is to actually go to the next step, which is to actually automate Buffer with our website. Okay, head over to your website blog right here. If my team team have already built and delivered your website, then this is going to simply be possible for you. You can actually use this strategy to get this done for yourself. Okay, this section that says plugins, click on the add new plugin right here, search for Buffer. All right, so this particular platform is 100% everywhere. They have a mobile app which you can actually download on Play Store or App Store. Okay, so they have a plugin for your website. All right, so if you have a standard blog website, this is going to simply be easier for you to navigate and control. Install now. Click on the activate button. The plugin has been activated. All right, okay, so this is Buffer right here. You click on this settings button. They're going to simply allow you to authorize this particular plugin by signing into your Buffer account. Okay, so remember we're on the same browser with our website and also with Buffer. So click on this authorize plugin. This particular plugin right now is going to simply dictate whether you have a Buffer account or not. If you don't have that, they're going to simply tell you to create one. Okay, so right now we are going to simply authorize it with our Buffer account. Okay, so click on this allow access. Okay, so that has been detected already. We're going to be sending traffic to our blog website through the push section. Okay, so once you have that in place, go ahead and click on the save button. The next step is the evergreen traffic loop. Okay, simply start creating content on your website and also using Buffer to actually schedule it and make it run. Okay, my own strategy is this: I can use one particular day right now and schedule 30 different posts for my website. Okay, so the next you need to do is to actually go ahead and copy the blog post you want to actually promote. Okay, with Buffer. Okay, for instance, you can actually decide to add this one for today. You can be publishing morning, afternoon, night in all of these social media platforms. Okay, using Buffer. Okay, so let's say this secret MTN code to get cheap data in 2026. Okay, let's copy from here and then go back to your Buffer from this very section. Okay, so remember you've already connected your social media pages and you now want to start creating content. Okay, then click on this new. All right, then click on new post. Okay, you can see we have new post, new idea, connect channel, connect start page, and a lot more. Invite team members, we don't need that now. Click on this post section. All right, when you click on that, all the social media accounts you've already connected will all pop up right here. Okay, add the content here. You go back to your blog post, copy some part of the post. Let's say I want to add this right here. So click on this and open it. It will load right now. You go ahead and add the link. Okay, you're going to simply add the link of this post. So remember how we do it: you have to install a plugin to allow you to avoid spamming social medias. Okay, so you don't spam, you have to simply deliver value so that you stay compliant with the ad network like Adstera policy, Hilltop ad policy, social media policies, and all of that. Okay, then this is the plugin you're going to install on your website right now. Okay, so if you don't have a fully developed website, go ahead and get one for yourself. It is very much necessary. Okay, so click on this pretty link and click on add new pretty link, your targeted URL here, then add the pretty link. Then click on this update button. Let's click on this copy as link address. Okay, then come back here and add it here. Instead of having a long link, we're having a short link. Okay, suggested media has been popped up already. Let's say I want to add this one as well. So remember, Pinterest have its own link section. Okay, you have to add it here. Right, we're going to select business, and the next thing remaining is the title. Just come to this section right here, copy this title here and make sure you add it here. Okay, so once you have that in place, then copy this link back to your clipboard, then go to Excel. Okay, scroll down a bit, you have to simply go ahead and add it right here. Select this and turn this off. Let's add the link here. Go ahead and schedule this post, or you click on this next available. You can publish this post right now. They're all live. Okay, so you can see if you have at least 200 real evergreen content on your blog website, you can still keep repurposing them and also keep sharing them every single time, and people will keep visiting. If you go to the profile section, you can see right here, this is 57 seconds ago, and this is the post right here. This is the link. The first step are the viral topic discovery sources. Okay, so if you have a blog website fully developed and monetized for you, and you want to start getting traffic from social media platform with Buffer, so if you go to Reddit, that's going to simply help you a lot. If you go to Feedly, it is going to simply help you. If you go to exploding topic or Google trend, That's going to simply help you a lot. All you need to do is simply discover trending stuff or trending topic, then write post about them, like article about them, then schedule them with buffer, and it's going to simply go to your social media platforms. And with that, you are building content for yourself, you are building monetization for yourself, and also you are building audience for yourself. All right. And before we wrap it up, these are the high traffic content type now for higher social media traffic. Okay, you have to simply start posting celebrity news. I've already made a full detailed video on how to do that. You have to simply start posting celebrity net worths, controversies, business success stories, okay, trending tech news, viral internet stories, football. They have higher curiosity click. So after getting all of this stuff fully developed or fully embedded on your website, if you're not monetized, then you're going to be missing a whole lot. Okay, if my team have already developed and also monetized your website, then you don't have to do this one again. And if you're not monetized yet, you're going to simply go to this popular website, go to Adstera and register as a publisher, and also add your website right there. I've already made a full detailed video on how to handle this. Okay, go ahead and watch our 7 days blogging challenge. That's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, you have to register on Hilltopads as a publisher. All right, you have to register on Monetized as a publisher as well, and that's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and the best part of all of this stuff right here is that you don't need to be a pro, you don't need to use laptop. Everything is going to simply be possible with your mobile phone. Okay, once you have that in place, you can actually add affiliate link, digital product. We've already done our 7 days digital product automation challenge. You can use email leads to build a business around your website. Okay, with buffer right here, you can actually gain more traffic to your website, to your digital product, and also to your AdMob application. All right, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram, WhatsApp channel, and also our Facebook page to learn more. See you in the next video.